I deal with a lot of neurologic, systemic, and musculoskeletal injuries, and this is one product that I can say has good research behind it to help heal GI tissues as well as tendons and soft tissue, including your muscles and bones. And it does that by promoting angiogenesis and growth factors. BPC, it's a 15 sequence amino acid. So it's a amino acid is what makes up the proteins in your body. This is a sequence that your stomach makes naturally. It's made in the gastric tissue to support it from the acids. And this 15 amino acid sequence, it accelerates healings of wounds, including tendons and the GI tract. There are loads of studies. And in fact, one of my favorite ones goes, only BPC was consistently effective in all the models of acute and chronic injury of the esophagus, stomach, duodenum, and lower GI tract. And actually, it helps with tendons, ligaments, and bone healing by accelerating its angiogenesis, which is the effect on healing. It's one of the few things that can promote healing and basically has very few, if any, found negative adverse reactions with it. Currently, all studies investigating BPC have demonstrated consistently positive and prompt healing effects from various injury types, both traumatic and systemic, for a plethora of soft tissues. So whether you're dealing with soft tissue injuries from your tendons, your bones, your ligaments, or if you're dealing with chronic health issues, we always like to start with the gut. And in fact, this product has replaced a battery of tools and supplements that I used to address the GI health before. And this is one product that I do recommend for a lot of people. So if you think that is something that you would be interested in, please stop and ask me or any one of my associates. We have a good understanding of the product and we carry it in the office, so you don't have to go real far to find it.